They have adopted a child.
They have adopted a child.
They have adapted to a new lifestyle.
They have adapted to a new lifestyle.
They are adept at managing their time.
They are adept at managing their time.
They have adopted a new policy.
They have adopted a new policy.
They have adapted their approach to the project.
They have adapted their approach to the project.
They are adept at working under pressure.
They are adept at working under pressure.
They have adopted a healthier diet.
They have adopted a healthier diet.
They have adapted their schedule to fit the changes.
They have adapted their schedule to fit the changes.
They are adept at using new technology.
They are adept at using new technology.